Hey there! So today I'm making my favorite sangria recipe. Here's a list of the ingredients. One of the important ingredients is the red wine. Normally I find that Cabernet Sauvignon works really well, but today I'm using Tempranillo instead, a Spanish wine for a Spanish drink. Another important ingredient is the Cointreau, which is an orange flavored triple sec liqueur. It adds a really nice citrus flavor to the sangria. Alright, this is a very easy recipe, so let's get started. First, I'm going to start with the liquids. I'll start with the bottle of wine. Next, a quarter cup of brandy. And then a quarter cup of Cointreau. Finally, we will add a quarter cup of sugar. Let's work with the fruits. First, thinly slice half an orange. And add it to the pitcher. Now thinly slice half a lemon and add it to the pitcher as well. Next, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed orange juice. Let's add that in. It's time for the apple. Let's cut it in little cubes. Remember not to add the core along with the seeds. Once it's all cut up, add it to the pitcher. Now that all the ingredients are in, let's give it a good stir so the sugar can dissolve a bit. Then we're going to store this in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Okay, so it's been 2 hours. The wait is over. Let's serve this up. Mix it well to dissolve any remaining sugar. The last step is to add some chilled sparkling water. For this we'll need a total of 2 cups. I like to give it a gentle mix before serving it. Now get some ice in your cup. And then pour in the sangria. Make sure you get some of that fruit in as well. Finally, I like adding a garnish. In this case, I'm using some ripe, tangy raspberries. They contrast the crunchy apple and also the slight sweetness of the sangria. So there you have it. A very tasty sangria to enjoy, especially during those hot summer days. So what do you think? Share in the comments if you make this recipe and let me know how it goes. See you in the next video. Cheers.